Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 599 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this CELAVI eyeshadow dual paint that I got in the shade Khaki, and this looks like such a fun and beautiful product. I got this from Shop Miss A, so it was only $1. It's cruelty free. They had a bunch of different colors to choose from, but I had such a hard time choosing. I wanted to get a color that I didn't have much of in my collection. Plus, I'm really drawn to these green shades because I have hazel eyes. And so let's check out the dual end. So on this side, there's a doe foot. Let me swatch that. Oh, so pretty. Oh, that's such a pretty shade. It's kind of looking like a light green to me, but really pretty metallic shine. So that's like a liquid eyeshadow. And then what's on this side? Oh, also a doe foot applicator. With a darker shade of the green eyeshadow. For some reason, I was expecting this to have two different types of applicators or two different types of formulas, but they're both a really beautiful metallic liquid eyeshadow with the same doe foot applicator. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited about these. These are so pretty. Okay, so since these are liquid eyeshadows, I'm just going to play around and create a look with just these two colors on my eyelid. So let's see. I'm going to start out by taking the darker side and applying that to the outer corner of my eyelids. I really like to focus the darker shades towards the outer part of my eyelids and then use the brighter, lighter shades on the inner half. But this is so easy to work with that doe foot applicator. You get full pigment, you can be so precise. So I'm curious if this has dried down. Ooh, yes. So it's going to, no fading or transfer at all. It's going to dry down exactly where you place it. But let's see. Oh yeah, it's already drying down. All right. So now on the second half of my eyelid, I'm going in with the lighter shade. But let me see if I can blend it a little bit with my finger before it dries down. Oh yeah, it honestly does dry down pretty quickly, but I definitely feel like I'm able to blend it a bit. So now I have less of a harsh line in between the two shades. So this is perfect for a cut crease type of product. So I guess that's what I'm kind of going for right now, because I'm not really going to work a metallic liquid eyeshadow into my crease. So if I were doing this eyeshadow look for my daily makeup, I would apply a transition shade in my crease. But wow, this looks so pretty. I'm loving these green shades. I mean, green can definitely work for the fall. And it's great pigment. It feels super comfortable on the eye. So I'm just playing around, but what if I were to, I'm going to take the darker end and try just lining. I mean, the doe foot applicator is kind of thick for this. But I love a green metallic line. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty too. There are a lot of beautiful uses for this. And you may have noticed that I didn't even prime my eyelids. And let's see. I have lots of creases in my eyelids, but there is no creasing in this formula. I also feel like this color is really enhancing to my green eyes. So I love it. I don't even know which shade I like better. They're both really pretty. They have beautiful metallic shine. Wow. I wish I had this in more colors because it really is such a great formula. And I can't believe this was only $1. I'm looking at myself in the mirror and I'm like, I want to incorporate like a gold eyeshadow look with just the green line, or maybe do like a halo eye with the lighter green shade. So many fun possibilities, and this is so easy to work with, so you can create those kind of intricate, complex looking eyeshadow looks so quickly and easily with a product like this. And it's basically like getting 2 products in one because it is that dual ended product, which I love. A 2-in-1 dollar store product. I feel like I've tried out so many of those. And this is just another one that I really, really like. So if you've tried this, I would love to know your thoughts on it in the comments down below and what colors you've tried out that you've really liked. I'm definitely feeling inspired by this makeup product, and I just love when a product does that for me. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.